Fairey Microfiltrex Limited, an autonomous company within the Fairey Group, specializes in the design, development and manufacture of filters, filter elements and filtration accessories for aerospace, defense and the nuclear and process industries. Based at Fareham in the county of Hampshire, the company operates from a purpose-built factory designed to facilitate the maintenance of ultra-clean working conditions within specific areas and compatible with the strict requirements of modern filtration technology. It offers a pleasant working environment for its plant operatives. It's in the design department that the first steps are taken in the fulfillment of Fairey Microfiltrex contracts. For the purpose of good communication and effective supervision, the company employ the all-in principle of operational administration, concentrating key personnel and management in one area. Here, design engineers, supported by systems engineers and the production engineering department, complete their deliberations and discuss with purchasing and production control their program of operations. Within the world of high technology and the environment in which Fairey Microfiltrex operates, customer requirements often need an in-depth investigation before design work can commence. To provide this support, a laboratory, suitably equipped with the appropriate scientific and investigative aids, is located close to the design engineering department. Amongst the many tasks undertaken by this department is the investigation of the suitability of new materials for future projects. As specialists in the manufacture of filtration products, a large proportion of current manufacturing is devoted to the basis of all filter technology, the filter element. Filter elements are made in two main categories, cleanable and disposable, a classification determined principally by the nature of the filter medium employed. Cleanable elements have a medium either in the form of sintered metal powder, sintered woven wire, or sintered non-metallic fibers, and can be constructed from a range of alloys, including bronze, stainless steel, and a number of nickel-based superalloys. Filter element assemblies often have several different types of metallic medium sandwiched together and co-pleated to form a filter pack with a desired combination of filtration properties. Cleanable elements, as well as being reusable, are naturally more suited to arduous environmental conditions, such as high collapse pressure extremes or high and low temperatures, and when constructed from stainless steels, can handle corrosive fluids or hot gases. Disposable elements can be of similar construction, but are made up from layers of non-woven filter medium. The most common being microdenier glass fiber, sandwiched with polymeric material for drainage and support, further strengthened by metallic mesh of appropriate size. Disposable elements, as the name implies, are designed to be used once only. This is a typical filter element under construction. It's of the high-strength disposable variety. You'll note that the pack is made up of layers of selected material. These will be pleated and shaped to a size which will permit its installation into the specific filter body. We now see the flat pack being loaded into a pleating machine, which by means of the pleating action will enable the largest possible filtration surface area to be reduced to a minimum volume, compliant with fitment into the appropriate filter housing. The pack is now ready for assembly into its support structure, which normally consists of a perforated center core tube and end caps. Attachment of the end caps to the core and filter pack is carried out by the use of chemical adhesives or by brazing or welding techniques. Fairey Microfiltrex have achieved considerable expertise in the design and manufacture of miniature filter elements and debris screens. A large proportion of the miniature filter elements manufactured by the company are intended for installation in the launch and guidance systems of torpedoes and other weapons. Contamination in any of these systems could upset the whole concept of the weapon, in that control could be lost or misdirected. To achieve the best possible results, filter elements and screens used in these applications must therefore be not only capable of controlling contamination within the system, but must be rendered clinically clean before installation. Within the controlled cleanliness area of the factory, a dedicated staff maintain the high standard demanded. A key filtration accessory manufactured at Fairey, and one of the most cost-effective devices available to the customer, is the Fairey Microfiltrex differential pressure indicator, now an essential part of any modern filter assembly, which visually portrays the need to change a clogged filter element. Several thousand of these simple but compact items are in use throughout the world, and production continues. Fairey Microfiltrex is a progressive company, and to supplement its existing defense and aircraft commitments, increasing business is being sought and obtained from within the nuclear and process industries. These applications usually entail the design and manufacture of particularly large filter element assemblies and machine details. Additionally, specialist welding techniques may be required. Within all high-technology industries, quality control is of the highest importance. Not only is it essential to maintain standards, but also to offer a safety net against possible actual or consequential accidents. The standards demanded and achieved are dependent on the dedication of the quality control personnel and the application of the rules which govern the standards set. Fairey Microfiltrex are acutely aware of the requirements that must be achieved and employ a team of highly skilled and effective inspectors supported by essential mechanical aids to maintain these requirements. This, then, is Fairey Microfiltrex, the problem solvers in filtration disciplines. A Fairey high-technology company.